There's a place where the sea kisses the sky, and the sun paints the earth with colors so vivid they almost seem unreal. Santorini, an island forged by nature's hand, where the past whispers through ancient ruins, and the present sparkles in the bright, white buildings of the villages perched on cliffs. As the day stretches long, the deep blue of the Aegean Sea seems to stretch forever, offering a peaceful calm to those lucky enough to witness it. The narrow streets, lined with vibrant flowers, lead to hidden cafes with the scent of fresh seafood drifting through the air. Every corner holds a story of ancient volcanic eruptions, of travelers from lands near and far, and of a timeless beauty that never fades. As the sun sets, the skies fill with hues of orange, pink, and lavender, casting a warm glow over the caldera. It's in these moments, when the world feels still, that Santorini reveals its magic. With VIP transfers and tours, every journey across this magnificent island is seamless and serene. After all, as long as we move safely, life will be an exciting journey.